You know, we don't have any golems or any orcs or any Smeagol's or any Gandalfs in Fremont, but what we do have is the Fremont Troll. And it's actually a very nice troll. I don't think it's ever hurt anybody. So, got it. Want to say hi to the Fremont Troll tonight? Oh, it's still buddy Chaos over here. You know, I don't even have any appropriate troll music. I'm sorry. How about Fremont Troll is under a bridge. He doesn't live in a valley or on a ridge. He's not really spooky, only a smidge. He's smaller than a semi-truck, but bigger than a fridge. He's the Fremont Troll who lives under a bridge. Ladies and gentlemen, Fremont Troll. Don't you think he looks a little like Gandalf? Gandalf the White? Gandalf the Troll, I don't know. But anyway, this is the Fremont Troll, folks. I just thought I'd say hi to the Fremont Troll. If you think I'm going to jump down from here, you're out of your fucking mind. It's your old buddy Chaos in Order from the Fremont Troll.